Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year today. We are making video on the latest and the best 5 vlogging underwater camera series of 2023. To buy the products you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Drift Ghost XL Action Camera. The Drift Ghost XL Action Camera is a versatile and rugged sports camera designed to capture high-quality footage of various action-packed activities. Built for enthusiasts of outdoor sports, biking, motorcycling, and other adventurous endeavors, this camera offers an array of features tailored to recording dynamic experiences. Equipped with a 1080p resolution, the Drift Ghost XL delivers sharp and clear video recordings, ensuring that every detail of your activities is captured vividly. Its use of an Ambarella chip further enhances video processing capabilities, contributing to smoother and more vibrant visuals. The camera's robust design is well suited for demanding environments, and it boasts impressive waterproofing capabilities, making it suitable for underwater adventures as well. This resilience ensures that the camera can withstand the rigors of various sports, whether it's mounted on activity, enabling users to control the camera remotely and share their experiences in real time. This feature is particularly handy for adjusting settings, framing shots, and capturing moments without needing to physically interact with the camera. Overall, the Drift Ghost XL Action Camera is designed to cater to adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture their adventures in stunning detail. With its impressive video quality, durable construction, and user-friendly features like Wi-Fi connectivity, it serves as a reliable companion for Product 2. Product name: cnet H9RH9 Action Camera. The cnet H9RH9 Action Camera is a versatile and compact device designed to capture high-quality video and photos in various action-packed scenarios. Built for outdoor enthusiasts, sports enthusiasts, and adventurers, this action camera boasts impressive features that enable users to document their thrilling experiences with exceptional clarity. One of the standout features of the cnet H9RH9 Action Camera is its ability to record in Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 frames per second (FPS), ensuring stunningly sharp and detailed visuals. Additionally, it offers the option to record at 1080p resolution at 60 FPS, which is ideal for capturing smooth and dynamic motion shots. This flexibility in recording settings caters to a wide range of filming needs, whether it's capturing fast-paced sports action or the camera enables seamless wireless sharing and remote control via a compatible smartphone or tablet. This feature allows users to conveniently view and manage their footage on the go, making it easier to review shots and share content with friends and followers. The cnet H9RH9 Action Camera comes with a 2-inch display that aids in framing shots, adjusting settings, and reviewing captured content directly on the device. Its 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures that a broader perspective is captured, making it well-suited for capturing panoramic scenes and immersive action shots. In addition to its impressive video capabilities, this action camera is built to withstand challenging environments. With its underwater waterproof capability, the camera can be used up to a certain depth, making it suitable for recording water-based activities like snorkeling, swimming, and other aquatic adventures. The durable construction of the camera helps protect it from impact often encountered during outdoor activities. The cnet H9RH9 Action Camera is a valuable companion for those who seek to capture their experiences with superior image and video quality. Its range of features, including high-resolution recording options, Wi-Fi connectivity, wide-angle lens, and underwater capabilities, make it a reliable choice for documenting action-packed moments and sharing them with the world. Whether you're into extreme sports, outdoor exploration, or simply want to preserve memories of your adventures, this camera offers the tools to do so. Product 3. Product name: HD Sports DV Camera Mini. The HD Sports DV Camera Mini is a compact and versatile sports camera designed to capture high-quality videos and photos in various active and dynamic settings. With its advanced features and capabilities, this camera is a popular choice among sports enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and outdoor adventurers. One of the standout features of the HD Sports DV Camera Mini is its ability to record videos in high-definition (HD) quality. It offers a resolution of 2.7K, allowing for sharp and clear footage that captures the action with impressive detail. Additionally, the camera boasts a powerful 48-megapixel sensor, enabling users to capture stunning high-resolution photos that showcase vibrant colors and intricate details. The camera's 10-foot waterproof rating makes it suitable for underwater video recording, making it an excellent companion for water such as snorkeling, swimming, and even diving. This feature allows users to document their underwater adventures without worrying about water damage to the camera. The HD Sports DV Camera Mini also includes a 16x digital zoom capability, which provides users with the flexibility to capture shots from a distance without compromising image quality. This is especially useful for capturing moments during outdoor sports and events where getting close to the action might not be feasible. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and mount, allowing users to attach it to helmets, bikes, and other gear to capture immersive point-of-view shots. The camera's rugged build ensures its durability even in challenging environments, making it a reliable companion for extreme sports and product named 10 feet underwater digital camera. The 10 feet underwater digital camera is a cutting-edge photography and camcorder device designed to provide exceptional performance in underwater and outdoor environments. This specialized camera is built with a focus on durability, waterproof capabilities, and advanced imaging features to cater to enthusiasts and adventurers seeking to capture stunning moments both above and below the water's surface. One of the standout features of this camera is its robust waterproof rating of IP68, which ensures its functionality at depths of up to 10 feet underwater. This level of water resistance makes it an ideal companion for snorkeling, swimming, diving, and various water-based activities, allowing users to document underwater scenes with remarkable clarity and precision. The camera boasts a high-resolution sensor with 48 megapixels, enabling users to capture vivid and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Screens is a notable feature that sets this camera apart. With screens located on both the front and rear sides of the device, users can easily frame their shots and selfies, making it an excellent choice for solo adventurers, vloggers, and those who enjoy capturing their outdoor experiences. The self-timer function adds to the camera's versatility by allowing users to set up and capture shots with a delay, enabling group photos or creative compositions without the need for assistance. Whether capturing underwater landscapes, vibrant marine life, or action-packed outdoor activities, the 10 feet underwater digital camera promises to deliver remarkable results. Its combination of rugged design, waterproof capabilities, high-resolution imaging, dual screens, and user-friendly features make product named 4K HD Wi-Fi Action Camera. The 4K HD Wi-Fi Action Camera is a cutting-edge device designed to capture high-quality video and photos in various action-packed scenarios. With its advanced features, this camera is well-suited for sports enthusiasts, adventurers, vloggers, and anyone seeking to document their experiences with exceptional clarity. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to record video in stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second (FPS), ensuring smooth and lifelike footage. The 170-degree wide-angle lens further enhances the camera's capability to capture expansive scenes, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes and dynamic action shots. The inclusion of electronic image stabilization (AIS) technology is a noteworthy advancement, as it helps to counteract motion-induced blur and shake, resulting in steady and professional-looking footage. This feature capabilities make it suitable for capturing aquatic adventures, allowing users to film underwater scenes with clarity and detail. Its anti-shake technology further enhances the quality of underwater footage by minimizing disturbances caused by water turbulence. The camera's integration of Wi-Fi connectivity opens up a range of possibilities for remote control and sharing. Users can connect the camera to their smartphones or other devices via Wi-Fi, enabling them to control the camera's functions, view live footage, and transfer media files conveniently. The 4K HD Wi-Fi action camera finds practical use in a variety of scenarios, including extreme sports, outdoor activities, travel vlogging, and professional videography. Its compact and durable design, often mountable on helmets or other accessories, adds to its versatility, allowing users to capture unique perspectives and angles. In conclusion, the 4K HD Wi-Fi action camera with its 60 fps 4K offers a comprehensive solution for capturing high-quality action-packed moments. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a travel enthusiast, or a content creator, this camera empowers you to document your experiences with exceptional clarity.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.